Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike here. That's Lola. Yep, she heard me talking. Now she wants to steal my scene. Anyway, just kind of admiring the view. Yeah, what do you think about this? Can you see it in the sunlight there? Isn't it lovely?
Isn't she lovely?
Isn't it gorgeous?
Isn't she wonderful?
Yep, this is the 2008 S63 AMG that I got from Randy. This is the reason that I think the insurance company had an issue with the car, okay? We have some damage here, so I thought, how much fun would it be to put together a list of places that could possibly fix it and then take everybody on a trip. Yeah, we're gonna get estimates to fix all of this loveliness right there. Let's do it now. Monkey, Ren, Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
While we're here, the most comfortable seat in the house. Yes, sirree, Bob. Thought I would take a moment to once again bring attention right here to these lovely new buttons, thanks to Chris. Yep, I forgot to mention Chris has a YouTube channel. So, Chris, right across here, let me get it straight. This is Chris's YouTube channel. So please go visit that in addition to his website. Yeah, he has all kinds of great things on his website. He's in Sweden. So Chris, once again, okay, here we have, this is your YouTube channel. This is your website. So we're thanking Chris for the buttons right here and here. And we're also thanking Chris for this lovely new vent right here. Look how beautiful these things look. Yes, love it, love it, love it. Kind of messy, but I'm loving this. All right, we are headed out. We're gonna go to maybe 3 or 4 places. One of them says you could actually just text a picture. So I'm gonna try that as well. We're gonna text a picture to the Dent Terminator and see what they have to say about the issue as well. Okay, hang tight. Hey everybody, it is now 2 days later. I'm wearing the same outfit. That's how I roll, but I'm enjoying some time in the back seat here. Yeah, I never get to sit back here, but it is really super comfortable. I love it back here. Got my QT. Coke Zero. Yep, I do love my QTs. Okay, so the way I decided to attack this was to get 2 estimates for PDR, paintless dent repair, and then to get 2 estimates from a regular body shop. Of course, you know what's going to be more expensive, and that's why we have PDR. Duh, who'd have thought? So what I want to do is I'm going to start with the most expensive repair bill, and we'll kind of go through what these people actually thought and what they wanted to do for me. Yeah, because it was kind of interesting. Of course, the first thing they look at, you pull up to this place and they look at the Mercedes star on the front, then they walk around to the back and they see the AMG and they go, hoo, hoo, hoo. And I go, no, no, no. Anyway, the first place I went to, I'm just going to call this UC. Okay, that's the name of the place. Every place I went took a picture of the VIN number too. I don't know why, but I guess that's where they get all this information, because when they printed it out, they have the VIN number, they have the color code, they have everything, all of the options in the car, all of that kind of stuff. And this gentleman presented me with 2 repair bills. The first one was for insurance, and then the second one, and he wrote on this, discount. And when he gave it to me, he said, you know what? Yep, I've applied all the discounts I'm able to, and so this would be your final price. And I'm doing all I can for you because you're my friend. Let's take a look at this. What they want to do with this car for a grand total of $2,764.63. Yeah, $2,700 right there. I sold a car 2 days ago for $1,800. Yeah, gun-toting grandpa's E320. I sold it not more than this. Yeah, I sold it for much less than $2,700. Wow. So this guy has 39.7 hours of body labor at $50 an hour. He has paint labor, 8.4 hours, and paint supplies, 8.4 hours, $331 of sales tax. Yeah, $2,700 to repair this. Now let me show you what he wanted to do, okay? Let's step outside the car and I'm going to show you what he wanted to do. Wow. All right, this is how UC wanted to approach this, okay? We're gonna kind of go by the bill right here, and we're going to make sure I just didn't give my address. Okay, that's good. It's not on this sheet of paper at all. It does have my name. Yep, see that right there? And that's my car. So proud of it. What they want to do, okay, they're going to start. They're going to remove and install this molding piece, I guess, at the top of the car. Then they're going to attack this door shell, okay? The door shell right here. 8 hours of labor to work on this right here. Okay, they're going to work on the panel, the strip, remove the window trim without sunshade. Well, I do have a sunshade. Remove the water shield and the body side molding right there. Okay, so we have 8 hours of labor right here. Then we go to the back glass, okay? RPR. Half an hour for whatever RPR this is, all right? Repair, I don't see that. Back glass, there's nothing wrong with this. There's nothing wrong with that. Okay, now to the quarter panel. We have 20 hours. 20 hours of work on the quarter panel assembly, okay? Take a look at that. Those are the dents. Of course, they're gonna take off the paint. You're gonna weld sticks on here, pull it out, then use a very special kind of Bondo. It doesn't crack, it's high temperature, high strength, best that's ever been invented. And we're going to do that. And we're gonna do the same right here and touch up the paint. Okay, when it comes to paint, let me tell you, yeah, they're gonna have a lot of fun with this because what he wanted to do as they blend the paint and the clear coat, okay, they're going to do this, they're going to do the door, kind of blend it out, blend this out this way. Then they're going to start here and they're going to blend, 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 blend. We're still blending, we're blending, we're blending, we're blending, we're blending, we're blending. We're going to fix this little dent right here and we're blending. The whole side of the roof right there. Yeah, we're going to blend that all the way to the front part of the windshield. He asked me if I wanted to work on the rear bumper assembly. They have 2.3 hours, okay, for the bumper assembly. Look, that's it right there. That's the damage right there, okay? He said, if we can replace this and fix it. I said, no, not for that. Let's just leave that. I can touch that up. That's not a big deal. Okay, that is UC's quote, once again, for the grand total right here. $2,764.63. Yowza. All right, let's take a look at quote number 2. This quote, here's going a little cuckoo. We're going to call this CW. We have UC, $2,700, and CW. CW came up with a grand total $2,329.52. They didn't highlight it, but right there, okay? There it is, right there. Yep, cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. Their estimate is 20 hours of body labor. UC's estimate is 39.7 hours of body labor. Then they have refinish labor of 8.7 hours. These guys charge 54 bucks an hour. UC charges 50 bucks an hour. So their refinishing, their painting is about the same. It's just the body, okay? 20 hours versus almost 40 hours. And that is the difference in the quotes right there. They didn't talk about blending all the way across up here. Not at all. As far as other amounts, they have a pre-scan and a post-scan. I don't know what that is. Pre-scan, $99.97. Post-scan, $149.97. Yeah, for, I don't even know. Is that paint? I don't know. See? Look at that right there. Yep. Okay. Well, Mike didn't choose that one either. So, let's look at PDR. Okay, when it comes to PDR, I went to 2 places, and the first one we're going to call HD. Okay, something dent. Not too difficult to figure out. This guy was super nice. I had to actually come back the next day because the first guy that was going to help me on a Wednesday said he was afraid to give me the quote because the boss might think it was too low, so I had to come back the next day and talk to the boss. So the boss threw me a quote, and he said he would email it to me. I never received it. Still haven't received it. Okay, it's been hours. I never got it, but he told me verbally for PDR, and he was sure that he would make it look perfect, except for the paint, because that doesn't fix the paint issues, for a grand total of, boom, right there, $800. $800. We're getting there, folks. We're going in the right direction. Let's show off one of my favorite features. Yep, soft closed doors. Okay, ADH Dent said that this was not going to be a problem at all. He put a little magnet up here. The magnet stuck. He said this is an easy fix right here. He wasn't worried about the body line. See the little crease right there? He wasn't worried about that at all. He said that wasn't difficult. This is where it gets difficult for him right there. Okay? He didn't talk about having to go through and drill through to get access to this, and I'll tell you about that in the second quote. And this is right there that he's something he didn't really address, because you're gonna have to get that painted, but he said he has a guy that could take care of that for me. So for $800, he said he could do it in a day, and he would get rid of this little ding right here. And can I show you? Right there. There's a little ding right there. And I thought I saw another one somewhere, but he would throw those 3 in for free. $800. Not bad. Okay, we're moving in the right direction. But we still have one more quote to discuss. Fourth and final quote, we're going to call this ADH Dent, something dent works. Okay, every PDR place had the word dent, dent terminator, dent doctor, dent fixer, all this kind of stuff. So this place, A Dent Works, does hail damage, door dents, all work guaranteed, they're insured, and everything else. So the quote right here for this amount of money. See that? That's her handwriting. It's backwards. Okay? Put this up to the mirror. Tell me what it says. Yeah, 450 works. The problem is right there. Okay, I can't read that upside down and backwards. Anyway, it says it may be less than 100%. Okay, it says S63, quarter panel, and then dog leg. $450. But there's drilling involved. For the $450 quote, I was told that they could actually go through the taillight right here, okay? Stick the tools down through here, and they could address all of this right there. She said, they gave me the quote, the lady that gave me the quote said this little body line, this little lip right here, was going to be very difficult. Not so with the other PDR guy, but she said it was going to be difficult to do. And then for these little dents right here, the only way they could access them, she said, would be to drill. They would plug it, and I wouldn't be able to see anything, but she said they're going to drill. I can get back here and push this, so I don't think they're really going to have to drill that much at all. I really don't think so, and I'm going to bring that to her attention if I decide to go this route. Okay? So, some person said this was difficult. Another person said this was easy. Exact opposite right here. Okay, the $450 quote did not include the dents there or the dent right here that's included in the $2,700 quote from the first place. Holy guacamole. What a range of prices for my lovely little beast. Now I'm thinking as I'm doing this video, why did they write off the car, you know, as total? Because I do have a rebuilt title. The value of the car, you know, what is it, 60% is when they write it off? I don't know where they got quotes to fix that. Or maybe there's some damage that I just don't know about underneath. I'm afraid to look. The car doesn't drive like there's any damage at all, but it does have me wondering. So what are we going to do? All right, say goodbye to that one. Say goodbye to that one. Email, you're out of here. I really think I'm going to go with this one for $450. I don't think I can miss out on this. And if it's not 100%, then I can take it somewhere else and he can kind of fine tune it. Maybe Mr. $800 guy can fine tune it for me. But for this much money, $450, which may be less than 100% correct, which is fine. I'm not a perfectionist. I think that's the way I'm going to go. I really do. Is this the right decision? Something just came alive in the car. Something just moved. Some kind of an air pump or something came on. Okay. Anyway, so good decision, bad decision, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about this and what you girls think about this and what you kids think about this, because I get some emails and I get messages and contacts from kids that are 18, 17, 16, kind of following this old guy right here, Mr. Monkey Wrench Mike, and I love it. I really, really love it. But let me know in the comments what I should do, okay? Because I don't want to make the wrong decision. I really, really don't, because I love this car. And I told myself I wasn't going to get too attached to it. But these back seats, oh my God. This right here, I love it. Never had to use the mirror because I never get to sit back here. Yeah. But it is such a fun place to hang out. And so cool. Yep. And so fast. And it does suck down the gasoline. Let me tell you that. In the city, I don't get good gas mileage. Okay, that's going to do it for the video right now. Not really fancy. We're not fixing anything yet, but we do need advice. So let me know in the comments. Please check out the merchandise, Monkey Wrench Mike merchandise. It's right below me. I have shirts and I have coffee mugs. I'm still working on caps. I promised my brother that I would get him a baseball cap with the Monkey Wrench Mike on there for Christmas. It's now March and I haven't done that yet. I need to get busy. Anyway, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Everybody go out and have a great, great day. And please leave me a comment. I really get a kick out of reading those. Good, bad, whatever. I love all the comments. All right? Monkey, bye.